So negative self-talk can sneak its way into our minds in many ways. It's that loud voice that tells us that we are not good enough, not deserving of success, or incapable of achieving our goals. It can make us doubt our abilities, compare ourselves unfavorably to others, and even prevent us from taking risks or trying new things. But guess what? Negative self talk is not based on reality, it's a distorted lens through which we view ourselves, often influenced by past experiences, societal pressures, or even unrealistic expectations that we place on ourselves. The good news is that we can challenge and change this self sabotaging dialogue. Hi, I'm AC Hatto, a licensed clinical health psychologist, and I make mental health education videos. This channel is a community of like minded people who are on a journey to create awareness of mental health with the hope to break the stigma that surrounds it. So, if this sounds like you, join the family by hitting the like button and subscribing to this channel. Doing so helps this video reach a wider audience. Now, let's get started for today. One effective strategy to break free from negative self talk is to become aware of it. Try to pay attention to the thoughts that arise in your mind when faced with challenges or setbacks. Ask yourself, are these thoughts supportive and encouraging, or are they filled with self doubt and criticism? For instance, imagine you're about to, say, deliver a presentation at work. Negative self talk might whisper to you, hey, you're going to mess this up. Nobody will find your ideas valuable. This voice might be so strong and compelling. Instead of succumbing to these thoughts, simply acknowledge them and consciously replace them with more positive and realistic affirmations. For instance, you could counter this negative thought with statements like, I have prepared enough for this presentation. I have valuable insights to share, and my colleagues will benefit greatly from them. By simply doing this, you are challenging the negative talk and shifting your mindset towards a more and positive and empowering perspective. Another helpful technique to conquer negative self-talk is to reframe your thoughts. That's like giving your thoughts a makeover in a more compassionate and realistic way. For instance, if you catch yourself thinking, I'm always making mistakes, you could reframe that into something more constructive. So you could say to yourself, mistakes are a natural part of learning and growth. I can learn from them and improve. This could help lift some weight off your shoulder. Remember that this journey toward a more positive mindset is a process of self discovery and self compassion. Know that it won't happen overnight, but every small step you take is worth celebrating. So be patient with yourself, embrace the progress you make, and remember that you are doing amazing. We are all corporates. I hope these quick tips have been helpful to you. I'd love to see your thoughts in the comments and share your experiences if that is comfortable with you. Don't forget to share this video with someone who might benefit from it. Until next time, I wish you a great day. Bye.